Thank you for enrolling in this course. You are going to love this course because this is a course of action. Everything you see in this course is hands-on inside the interface, and what you can do is follow along. Try these things on your own. I find I learn best by doing. So this is intended for every single lecture. You can watch the lecture. You can have another monitor open and try it at the same time. You can try it after the lecture, or you can do that repeatedly. Try it, go back to the lecture, try it, go back to the lecture. You will learn exceptionally useful skills in this course if you test out these things as we show you how to do them. You will also get right at the beginning of this course in a PDF a list of websites you can use to get paid to learn and apply these skills. What you can do is sign up as a freelancer, put your profile up there, and start adding these skills to what you know. There are companies all over the world that need help with the skills taught in this course, and they will pay you to try what you're learning in this course as a freelancer. And then you get better at it as you get paid to do it more. That's exactly how I learned and grew my business, by continually getting paid to learn skills people needed help with. That's what you get in this course. You get a hands-on learning experience in every lecture where you can go try these things. And this course starts off showing you exactly how to get everything set up. What you need prior to starting this course is a good internet connection. Although you can do it on a slower public Wi-Fi internet connection, this course will work best if you follow the first several sections showing you exactly how to install all of the software for an ideal experience. Once you've got that set up, and I are continuing to add tons of new lectures. This course will eventually have 10 plus hours of video showing you exactly everything you can do once this is set up. So get started by looking at all of the setup instructions and doing them yourself. Get to know the basic terms, and then you can have an awesome experience out of this course. And I are here to listen to your feedback. At any time, all you have to do is tell us exactly what you think of a lecture, ask us a question, and and I are here to answer your questions every single day. We commit to answering any discussion question you ask as fast as we can, which usually will be 48 to 72 hours, sometimes shorter, sometimes longer. So go ahead, get the most out of this course, and we are honored you are here spending this time with us. Thank you.